Hey guys, so today I wanted to create a Valentine's look using only the Modern Renaissance palette. So to start off, I already did my eyebrows. The first thing I'm going to use is the Pro Concealer by LA Girl. I'm adding the concealer as my base. After I apply my concealer, I'm going to set it with my Airspun Loose Face Powder. So the first color we're going to be using is Bon Fresco. And I'm going to use that one as my transitional color. Then using Love Letter and Venetian Red, I'm going to mix those two colors with a pencil brush, and I'm going to add that on my crease. Actually, I'm going to apply that a little bit over my crease. Now using a small blending brush, I'm going to use that to concentrate the color. And then I'm just going to go back and forth with those three brushes just to kind of like help blend everything out. And then again, I'm going to keep adding that color because when you blend it out, it kind of like takes away some of the color. I'm going to use the concealer again, and I'm going to find where my eye creases, and then I'm going to go over with concealer brush, and I'm using that to cut my crease. This is going to take some time, especially if it's your first time, but just try to take it slow and then try to get it as perfect as you can. Then I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to use Vermeer, and I'm going to apply that right where we applied our concealer. And you can't really see this color, but it's more kind of like, it's like a very shimmery light pink with hints of purple. And then I went back in again and I concentrated that color on top of my crease. And then I used the L'Oreal Telescopic eyeliner. I'm not really a big fan of this eyeliner because it's not as dark as I would want it, but it did the job. Then I'm gonna take a glitter eyeliner, and this is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal. This is the color Glam Rock, and I'm gonna outline my crease. Then I took my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation and I applied it on my face. And that's what I'm using as my foundation. And I like to use a small flat brush to apply it with because I feel like the foundation is very thick and I feel like it doesn't really apply as well with my sponge. So I like to apply it first with the brush. Then I like to go over it with my sponge to help it blend it out. Then I'm taking the Wet n Wild contouring stick and I'm just applying that all over my face. Then I'm using the Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline, and I'm just applying that where I would highlight my face. And then I'm just contouring my nose as well. Then I'm using the Airspun Loose Face Powder and I'm applying that under my eyes. I'm not going to bake under my eyes because this foundation is already very matte, but I do set my nose because my nose does get very oily. Then using the Wet n Wild bronzer, I'm going to just contour a little bit. Then I'm going to go in and just kind of like buff everything out. I'm also going to apply that same color on my nose. Then I'm going to take Bon Fresco and I'm applying that under my eyes, and I'm just going to blend all that out. And then I did mix a little bit of the Venetian red and Love Letter just on the outer corners. And then taking a get of a mirror, I use that as my inner corner highlight. I'm taking the Laura Geller blush. I'm not a big fan of blush, but I do like this one because it's not like super overpowering. And then I did bake under my contour just to like help define that line, so to clean it up. Then I'm taking the lip pencil from Bodyography, and this is just kind of like a nude pink. I'm going to use that to line my lips. Then taking a Beauty Creations lipstick, I'm going to just use that to finish the look. So that was it, you guys. That was the look that I created using the Renaissance palette. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.